everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Disney princess transformation look, and today we are doing Belle. I decided to do like her peasant kind of look with the outfit and then her ball look with the eye makeup. So this is a really easy sparkly yellow eye, so let's get started. First things first, I'm going to prime my eyelids because we are using a yellow eyeshadow. We want to just give it a lot to stick to because sometimes yellow can be a bit chalky. Now I'm using a yellow pigment. You can feel free to use a yellow shadow, but I think the yellow pigment sticks better to a base. For our crease color, I'm going in with the ColourPop shade Elixir. It is like a light camely brown color, and I'm just taking this on a fluffy brush. And we're just gonna create a bit of definition by packing this first. So up and down motions, and then circular motions to start blending it out. Now taking my yellow pigment, this is Hot Yellow from NYX, I'm just gonna pack this all over the eyelid. This gives great pigmentation. If you do a lot of body painting and you need shadows to shade with, I would highly recommend these pigments. You can get a whole bunch of them, and they're honestly really easy to depot. I just don't have an empty Z palette right now to put the 3 that I have in. I'm going to take a bit of glitter adhesive and just pop it on the inner corner. Glitter adhesives that have a bit of pigment to them, so they give you like a luminous shine even underneath the glitter. Now I'm just taking a gold glitter. You can use chunky or fine. I chose to use a fine one. And we're going to add this to the inner corner. Just taking a flat brush, and we're going to press it right in the inner corners. Right now I'm going to tightline with a brown eye pencil. This one is from Physicians Formula. Brown just because it's going to give us a little bit of a softer look than black. And Belle's look overall is very, very soft compared to some of the other princess ones I'm doing. So this one's much more natural, much more relaxed. I mean, the last one was a blue cut crease for Elsa, so I went with something a little bit more neutral today. Now we're gonna curl our eyelashes. And today I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Base. This is just a lash primer. I just feel like my lashes need a little bit of help today getting the volume I want. They just feel a bit sticky. I did my lashes, base, and brows, and you can see this is how it looks so far. It's very glowy, it's very luminous, everything's kind of soft but still pulled back. So now we are going to contour, and I'm not going to contour too much, but this is a fresh bronzer because my other one broke after my last video, so I have to get all like the glittery stuff off the top first. I'm just going to do a bit of light contouring. Then I'm going to highlight with the Beauty Crop Lighting Crew highlighter. This is a liquid highlight, so I'm going to put it on my beauty blender. This is like almost a metallic pink, so you don't need too much because it is liquid. But we're just gonna dot this on. I am going to align my lips with this LA Girl pencil in Sensational. It's like a dark orange. To finish it off, I'm going to use Lancome lipstick in Coral de Janeiro, and it is a matte, like really pretty coral color. Because I want everything to be like really shiny and bright, I am going to put on some of the Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie Gloss in Birthday Babe on my lips. And that is it. This is my Belle inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, make sure you subscribe. Check out my Elsa video and my other Disney lookbook with all my different princess looks in it. And if you want to see more, make sure you comment down below, like, and let me know what you want to see from me next. And I'll see you guys in the next one.